We understand how demanding life can be and how it can distract us from prayer. And that's why it's so important that we take the time to be re-energized and revived in the power of the Holy Spirit. This is the perfect time for us to reflect upon what we have done so far this year. Divine Renovation Australasia, together with Parousia, invite you to the refreshed and renewed online retreat. Filled with dynamic keynotes, times of prayer, workshops, live panels, the retreat will take place from the 28th to the 30th of July. We'll be joined by Dr. Edward Shree, Father James Mallon, Deacon Harold Burke-Sivers, Steve Ray, and many, many more. Register now for the refreshed and renewed online retreat. We look forward to seeing you online.